All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today it's going to be a quick one. I just want to do an unboxing of this watch today, and I want to spend a few days with it on my wrist, maybe even a week, and I'm going to come back and do a full review of the watch. Now, this is one of the newest divers from Phoibos Watch Company, and if you guys watch my channel, you know I'm a big fan of Phoibos watches and what they do. I'm using the Cobra Tech Special Forces knife, or Special Ops knife that was sent to me by Neil out at Heart of Texas Armory. I'll leave a link to his channel down below, but this is a sweet blade. So don't worry about the address on there, guys. That is my YouTube mailing address, so I'm used to getting things there. Man, I wanted to show you. See the dent in the box? I think that dented the box inside of here a little bit. Hopefully it didn't cause any damage to the watch. I doubt it. So this is one of the newest Phoiboses, and I was really excited when Ethan reached out to me and asked if I want to get one of these on the channel. You know, guys, I really love Phoibos watches, and I follow what they do, but unfortunately, I'm not a big fan of Facebook, and a lot of their updates and everything go through Facebook, and I don't have a whole lot of fun on there, to be honest with you. There's too many weird things that happen on Facebook, but you can really find out a lot about the watches if you want to be part of their owners group on Facebook. I'll leave a link to that down below also. So standard Phoibos boxing, as you would expect. And again, this is just going to be a quick unboxing video. We're going to take a quick look, maybe unwrap the plastic off the watch and see what we have here. So, all right, we get the standard Phoibos paperwork, as you would expect here, and the warranty information, as they always send out. Got a warranty card there. This is an automatic watch, so this is going to have a 2-year international warranty on their automatics. And this is from the Proteus lineup, guys. I'm not exactly sure which reference number they sent out to me. Ethan gave me a couple of choices, and honestly, I didn't even notice he gave me a couple of choices. I just said, just send me one and I'll check it out. So, all right, we've got the Proteus. This looks like a blue version, which is never a problem with me as a Dodgers fan. Let me go ahead and get the plastic off this watch, guys, and we'll just kind of take a quick look at it before going out. Like I said, not going to be a full review for another couple days. All right, so here we go, guys. I got the plastic off. Excuse me. I swear if I made a video and didn't, cut out the piece of me taking the plastic off a watch, it'd be like a 25-minute video, because they really know how to put plastic on these watches that come to the channel. So really, really cool piece. I know they're making a variety of different colors of the Proteus. We're getting a whole lot of reflection off this sapphire crystal, which I'm sure is what they're running here. But I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek on this one before we actually do the full review of the watch. Nice looking piece, lots of colorways available. I think there's 4 total, and the Proteus is looking like a really, really cool watch. So guys, stay tuned to the channel. We'll get a full review up of the new Phoibos Proteus in the next few days. I just wanted to get an unboxing up for you guys. So thanks for tuning in. You like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.